Water, it makes up 60% of your body weight. It's vital for every single bodily function, and we hear so much about drinking enough of it. But what actually happens when you do hydrate? Is it really as simple as water going in and then magically reappearing in your sweat and urine? Turns out there's a lot more to it than you might think. So let's dive into the fascinating science of hydration and find out exactly what happens when you drink up. Water Mythbusters. Let's start by busting some common water myths and misconceptions. Because while we all know that staying hydrated is important, there's a lot of confusion about how much water we should be drinking, when we should drink it, and even what will happen when we do. First, let's tackle the infamous 8 glasses a day myth. This has been repeated so often that it's become a mantra for many people. But where did this number come from, and is it really an ironclad rule? Surprisingly, no. The 8 glasses a day recommendation is actually a relatively recent development and not backed by any strict scientific evidence. It's believed to have originated from a marketing campaign by the beverage industry in the 1940s. At the time, the average American was drinking far less water than they are today, thanks in part to the popularity of coffee, tea, and soda. So the campaign aimed to increase water consumption and make it more appealing as a healthy choice. However, the actual amount of water needed varies greatly depending on factors like age, activity level, climate, and overall health. And there is no one-size-fits-all approach. While 8 glasses, or about 2 liters of water per day, is a good starting point for many adults. Some people may need more or less depending on their individual circumstances. For example, athletes who exercise regularly or live in hot climates are likely to need more water to replace fluids lost through sweat. Conversely, those with certain medical conditions or dietary restrictions may need to limit their intake. Next, let's bust the myth that drinking water can instantly flush toxins out of your body. While staying hydrated is essential for your liver and kidneys to perform their detoxification functions, drinking extra water won't necessarily speed up this process. In fact, it could potentially dilute the substances your kidneys are trying to concentrate for elimination, making your job harder, instead of relying on water alone. It's important to support your body's natural detox processes by eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and minimizing exposure to environmental toxins. Finally, let's discuss the common belief that dehydration headaches are caused by a lack of hydration. While dehydration can contribute to headaches, it's not the only cause, and drinking more water isn't always the solution. Dehydration headaches typically occur when your body doesn't have enough fluids to maintain normal blood volume and pressure. This can trigger your body's protective mechanisms, including narrowing your blood vessels, which can lead to pain. However, other factors like stress, lack of sleep, and certain medications can also play a role. If you experience frequent or severe headaches, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Understanding your body's hydration needs. Before we explore what happens to the water you drink, it's crucial to understand how much water your body needs. While the 8 glasses a day rule is a good general guideline, it's essential to recognize that everyone is different and our hydration requirements vary based on several factors. Several key factors influence how much water your body needs. Age, sex, activity level, climate, and overall health all play a role in determining your individual hydration requirements. For instance, athletes and those who live in hot climates tend to need more water due to increased fluid loss through sweat. Similarly, pregnant and breastfeeding women require additional water to support their baby's growth and milk production. On the other hand, older adults may need less water as our body's water needs decrease with age. It's essential to pay attention to your body's cues and adjust your water intake accordingly. While there are general guidelines, finding the right amount for you may require some trial and error. Recognizing the signs of dehydration. Now that you have a better understanding of your body's hydration needs, it's essential to learn how to spot the signs of dehydration. While thirst is a clear indicator that you need to drink up, it's not the only sign to look out for. In fact, it's crucial to recognize other subtle cues that your body gives you when it's dehydrated. As dehydration progresses, your body may show various signs that you should pay attention to. Fatigue, dry skin, and a decreased need to urinate are some of the common indicators that you're not properly hydrated. When your body is dehydrated, it struggles to transport nutrients and oxygen effectively, leading to feelings of tiredness. Dry skin can also signal dehydration as your body prioritizes sending water to your vital organs, leaving the skin less supple and more prone to dryness. Additionally, if you find yourself urinating less frequently, or the color of your urine is unusually dark, it's a clear indication that you need to drink more water. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to more severe dehydration, making it essential to stay vigilant and take action when you notice these symptoms. So what about electrolytes? When we think of hydration, we often focus solely on water. But electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining proper fluid balance within our bodies. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium carry an electric charge and are essential for many vital functions, including regulating muscle contractions and nerve impulses. While electrolytes are found naturally in many foods, you can also get them through beverages, like sports drinks, which are designed to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat during exercise. However, it's important to note that most people can meet their electrolyte needs through a balanced diet and only need to worry about electrolyte imbalances if they're re-engaging in intense or prolonged physical activity. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions may have altered electrolyte levels and should consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. So what happens to the water you drink? Now that you understand the importance of hydration and your body's individual needs, let's explore what happens to the water you drink. From absorption to distribution, we'll break down the fascinating journey of water through your body. Once you take a sip of water, it quickly makes its way down your throat and into your stomach. At this point, your body begins the process of absorbing the water into your bloodstream through the walls of your stomach and small intestine. The water then travels throughout your body, delivering essential hydration to your cells and tissues. But how does your body decide where to send the water? It turns out that your body is highly efficient at directing water to areas that need it the most. For instance, if you've been exercising or sweating, your body will prioritize sending water to your muscles and organs. Conversely, if you haven't been active, the water will be distributed more evenly throughout your system. This remarkable ability allows your body to maintain proper hydration levels and ensures that vital organs receive the fluids they need to function optimally. Is there a best time to drink? Another common question is whether there is a specific time of day when it is best to drink water. And the answer may surprise you. Like popular belief, there's no definitive evidence that drinking water at a particular time offers unique benefits. Instead, it's more important to focus on consistent hydration throughout the day rather than adhering to a strict schedule. However, it's generally recommended to drink water before, during, and after exercise to replace fluids lost through sweat. Additionally, many experts suggest keeping a water bottle nearby as a visual reminder to stay hydrated. By taking these practical steps, you can ensure that you're consistently meeting your body's hydration needs regardless of the time of day. Can you get enough water from other sources? When we think of hydration, water is usually the first thing that comes to mind. But what about other beverages like tea and coconut water? Can they contribute to your daily fluid intake? Surprisingly, yes, they can. While water is essential, other drinks can also help keep you hydrated. Tea, for example, is mostly composed of water and provides additional hydration, along with potential health benefits. Coconut water, on the other hand, contains electrolytes and natural sugars, making it a suitable choice for rehydrating after a workout. However, it's important to note that sugary drinks and caffeine-containing beverages like soda and coffee can have a diuretic effect, potentially leading to dehydration. Therefore, it's best to choose drinks that don't have added sugars or excessive caffeine to ensure that they are recontributing to your hydration goals. Hydrating with food. Did you know that many fruits and vegetables have a high water content and can contribute significantly to your daily hydration? Consuming water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and spinach not only helps you stay hydrated, but also provides essential nutrients and fiber. These hydrating foods are not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Watermelon, for example, is 96% water, and a great source of vitamin C. Cucumbers are another excellent choice. Consisting of 95% water and offering various vitamins and minerals. Spinach and other leafy greens are also rich in water, providing hydration along with essential nutrients like vitamin K and folate. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your hydration levels while nourishing your body with valuable nutrients. The science of hydration during exercise. When it comes to hydration, it's especially crucial to understand what happens to the water you drink during exercise. Whether you're lifting weights or running long distances, your body undergoes unique processes when you sweat. During exercise, your body temperature rises as you exert yourself. To cool down, your body releases fluids in the form of sweat, leading to water loss. To compensate for this, it's essential to drink water both before and during your workout. However, the amount of water you need depends on the intensity and duration of your exercise. In general, it's recommended to drink water before, during and after exercise to maintain proper hydration and replace fluids lost through sweat. Taking control of your hydration. Now that you have a deeper understanding of what happens to the water you drink, it's time to take control of your hydration. Remember that everyone's needs are different, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. You can create a personalized hydration plan by considering your individual circumstances, such as activity level, climate, and overall health. Keep a water bottle handy as a visual reminder to stay hydrated and set reminders on your phone to drink up throughout the day. Additionally, monitor the color of your urine. If it's pale straw, you're likely well hydrated. If it's darker, you may need to drink more. By taking these proactive steps, you can ensure that you're meeting your body's unique hydration needs and supporting your overall health and well-being. And remember, while water is essential, it's not the only way to stay hydrated. A variety of beverages and water-rich foods can also contribute to your daily fluid intake. Choose wisely and enjoy the benefits of proper hydration.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.